Hi, Padlocks here again, and today we have a Indian Lever Padlock, which is a first for my channel. You tend to see these a lot on eBay, and they cost £30 up. I did not pay £30 up for this. I actually found a bunch of them at a car boot sale, £2 each. So I paid £2 for this. And weirdly enough, all the keys seem to look a bit like that, and they seem to be quite interchangeable. So it doesn't give us much hope for this being any good. If you give me 1 second, because I'm not prepared, and I'll sort out my tools. Right, back again with the right tools, I hope. And this one says 50mm on it, also says 4 lever. Do you think we're going to get any surprises in here, Mrs. D? Do you think it's going to be a difficult pick?
No.
No. Well, that's got 4 levers, so...
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro.
Well, that tensioner isn't actually working for me. I need a shorter one. Attempt number 3. Smaller tensioner. Mrs. D says no surprises.
None whatsoever.
None whatsoever. So we actually have tension this time. Let's go right to the back.
The biggest surprise will be that lasts longer than 20
Oh,
seconds.
it's open.
Yep, there we go. See? The biggest surprise was the more surprise. Because it didn't last.
Well, the surprise for me is how many levers do you think I had to pick to get this open?
2.
1.
What?
Yeah, this has 4 levers on it. There is only 1 lever in there. So, yeah, those 30 quid Indian padlocks on eBay, yeah, I wouldn't. That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye!
You know what the highway code is, mate?
Hi, I do. Cheers. Uh-huh.